Hi, this is Jennifer with Limitless Impact Agency. Thanks for joining us on this week's quick business tips. Today, I'm going to blow your mind because I'm going to explain to you how one simple sentence can double your sales. Imagine being a local business owner and knowing that you were really thinking about shutting down the business. And then you make one small change to your marketing, and your sales not only improve, but I'm talking a 200% increase in just 3 months. This happened with one of many of my clients, and I am going to be sharing with you all of their success stories as we go through our journey together this year. The reality is that we are bombarded with thousands of marketing messages every single day. It happens so much, we don't even register it in our brains. Like we're just seeing marketing message after marketing message after marketing message, and it doesn't even trigger to us that we are seeing a marketing message anymore. It's noisy. And the customers that you are trying to attract to your business, they're overwhelmed. And they probably don't even know that they're overwhelmed with all of the marketing that's being thrown at them all of the time. And this is where your superpower can come in. Because if you become super clear and super concise with your marketing message, you can cut through the noise. How does this work? You start using the exact words that your ideal customer uses to explain their problems and what they would like their life to look like after the problem is solved. Not your version of the words, not some copywriter putting all the pretty on the words. You need to use their exact words. So instead of serving the community since 1998, change it to something that is super clear. We are the best home builder in Central Indiana. We make homeowners happy by building the best home. We serve the best coffee in Omaha, Nebraska. We help you find rare books anywhere in the world. So much more clear than we've been serving the community since 1998. When you try to get too cute, too creative, too crafty, you also get really confusing. Now, I know you're thinking, it's too simple. It can't be that easy. I can't triple my sales by what feels like dumbing down my message. But guys, I have seen it time and time again. And I will tell you what, when it happens like it happened for this business, and we are seeing 200% revenue increases in 3 months, it still blows my mind because it just seems so easy. It's not like I was the first marketing company that this company worked with. I didn't understand how the marketing company that had been working with them for the past 4 years had missed this. It was so easy. It was so obvious. But the other marketing company was chasing all of the wrong KPIs. And they were trying to do all of the wrong things. Marketing really is super simple when you break it down. So here are 3 steps that can help you break down your messaging. First, you need to identify what makes you different. You build the best custom homes. You build the fastest custom homes. Everyone else takes a year to build a custom home. You can knock it out in 7 months. Figure out what makes you stand out from the crowd. Are you the realtor that brings your dog with you everywhere? Are you the realtor that like you've got coloring books in the back for the kids because you embrace the family lifestyle and you're just all about it? Like there has to be something that makes you different. The second step, and this is where people get confused, you need to figure out what your customer really wants. And the only way to do this and to get a for sure 100% answer is to ask them. Ask your past customers what they wanted before they started working with you. Ask people on a call that haven't decided that they're going to buy your services yet. What is it that you're looking for? You didn't get on this call for no reason. You came here because you had a problem. What is it that you want? What problem are you trying to solve? And write down verbatim the words that they are using. So you've identified what makes you different. You've identified what your customer really, really wants. And then the third step is you just combine these two things into a clear statement that speaks directly to your customer. And by speaking directly to your customer, you are going to cut through the noise. And the results are going to be amazing. But I'm going to tell you, even though we can break this down into 3 steps and we can make it super easy, it's also a huge stumbling block for businesses. And here's why. A lot of people want to sound smart. And they think that the only way they can sound smart and valuable and like if they're an expert is if they use industry jargon. Then there's another group of people, and they want to be chocolate. Their dream in life is to be chocolate. They are trying so hard to get everyone to like them and to appeal to everybody. Realtors are my biggest struggle when it comes to this because they want to help everybody in the area that they serve, which is vast, buy or sell a home. Everybody. I can help everybody in this huge area buy and sell a home. And trying to convince them that when they narrow that focus, it's not that you can't help everybody. It's that you are choosing to spend your time and money focusing on this one type of person. By narrowing that down, that is what allows you to create that message that cuts through the noise. Because when you're trying to appeal to everybody, your message is just going to get lost in the noise. It's too vague. It can't deeply resonate with someone. No one is going to hear a vague, broad, appeals to everyone message and think, oh my gosh, you read my diary. You want your marketing message to make your perfect, ideal customer, the one that you want to spend your time and money attracting to your business. You want that person to feel like you read their diary, you know what their problem is, and you know how to solve it. So those are 2 stumbling blocks. The third stumbling block is that a lot of business want to focus on all of the features they bring, and they forget to talk about the benefits. And psychologically, nobody cares about the features. Everybody cares about the benefits. You can build a home that has 6-inch thick walls, uses the best insulation, it's going to be super energy efficient. These are all features. Benefits are you're going to save money on your energy bills. We're going to care about the time and effort and the love that we put into building our custom home. It's going to be built by people who value their craftsmanship, feature, benefit, you're going to get the best quality home built for you and your family. Benefits are what people care about. Features are the things that produce the benefits. So don't talk about the benefits, talk about the features. And don't get too lost in all of the features, because clarity is what is going to win the day. If you are trying to tell someone what you do and the 10-year-old sitting next to them can't understand it and repeat it back, your message probably needs a little bit of work. Okay? It needs to be that clear, not because people are stupid, but because we are asked to use our brains so much every single day that we need the simple, easy, already cut up into bite-sized pieces type of marketing that is just ready to be served to us. That is what we are going to see, hear, value, and remember. And if people don't see it, hear it, and remember it, you're not going to make the sales. So this is the action that I want you to take today. Take a look at your marketing. This can be a lot of things. You can go scroll through your social media posts for the last couple of weeks. You can look at the last email that you sent out to your potential customers. You can just go take a look at your website. Look at what is just above the fold before you start scrolling. Before you start scrolling on your website, look at your website and ask yourself, if I was 10 years old, would I understand what is happening here? Would I understand what is trying to be sold? Would I see the value in working with this person? Now, remove yourself from the 10-year-old and ask, does my absolute perfect center of the bullseye client want to fix this problem? Are these the words they're using? Is this what's going to make them feel like I snuck into their house and read their diary? And if it doesn't, maybe it's time to think about changing. So here's what gets super exciting. I am offering a free message audit to the first 10 people that sign up. I will personally go over your social media and your website. I'll even read a couple emails if you want to send them to me. And I will offer you customized advice on how you can make your message more clear, more impactful, and generate more sales. I will actually give you a blueprint. I will record the call that we are on. I will send you a transcript. This is going to be amazing for you and your business. So if you are ready to transform your business and really embrace the superpower that clear messaging can bring, reach out to me and make sure that you sign up for your messaging audit. If you found this valuable, please subscribe and share. It would mean the world to me. I want to impact more businesses and more lives in a positive way. Until next week, I'm Jennifer Swineford with Limitless Impact Agency.